Camping becomes much easier when you bring the right equipment. Without clean water, light, power, airflow, or emergency supplies, a relaxing trip can quickly become stressful. Here are 12 practical camping essentials, why you may need them, and when they become useful. All product links are available in the description. Let's begin. Imagine sitting around a warm fire on a cold evening without constantly moving away from heavy smoke. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 uses a double-wall airflow system to help wood burn more efficiently and produce less smoke than a traditional fire. Its removable ash pan makes cleanup easier, while the included stand raises it above the surface. It is ideal for car camping and small groups of 4 to 6 people. When you are setting up a tent, cooking, walking, or repairing equipment after dark, this rechargeable headlamp keeps both hands free. Its 230-degree wide beam illuminates the area around you, while the adjustable spotlight helps you see farther ahead. It also includes 5 lighting modes and a motion sensor for touch-free operation. It is especially useful for nighttime camping, emergencies, and early morning hiking. Imagine reaching a remote campsite and realizing there is no treated drinking water nearby. The Survivor Filter Pro X uses an electric pump and multiple filtration stages designed to reduce bacteria, parasites, viruses, and sediment from suitable freshwater sources. It is useful during multi-day trips, remote travel, and emergencies. Always follow the instructions and avoid salty water, industrial chemicals, fuel contamination, or visibly toxic water. During hot and humid nights, sleeping inside a tent can become extremely uncomfortable. This rechargeable camping fan improves airflow and uses a 20,000 mAh battery for extended operation. Multiple speed settings help balance cooling and battery life, while the built-in LED light provides additional campsite lighting. It is useful for summer camping, RV travel, power outages, and locations without electricity. Charge it fully before leaving home. After a long hike, resting on wet, rocky, or muddy ground is rarely comfortable. The Kutek camping hammock provides an elevated place to relax and includes adjustable tree straps for easier setup. It folds into its attached carrying bag, making it easy to transport. It is useful at campsites, beaches, forests, and hiking rest points. For overnight sleeping, consider adding an insect net, rain tarp, sleeping pad, or underquilt. When an injury or unexpected emergency happens far from professional help, having essential supplies nearby can make a major difference. This 262-piece kit includes basic medical items, an emergency tent, shovel, axe, hammer, and other survival accessories. It is useful for camping, hiking, vehicle emergencies, severe weather, and natural disasters. Imagine dropping your phone into a lake or getting caught in heavy rain while relying on it for maps and communication. The HyreCool waterproof pouch helps protect compatible phones from water, mud, dirt, and sand. Its transparent design allows screen viewing and many touchscreen functions. The 2-pack includes lanyards and fits devices up to approximately 8.9 inches. Test each pouch with dry paper before placing your phone inside. If you spend hours cooking, fishing, or relaxing around the campsite, sitting directly on cold or uneven ground becomes uncomfortable. The One Tigris Tiger Blade offers a compact folding chair suitable for camping, hiking, festivals, and beach trips. Its lightweight design makes transportation easier, but always assemble the frame correctly and place the chair on firm, level ground before sitting. When permitted firewood or fallen branches are too large to use, the Rex Betty folding saw provides a compact cutting solution. Its 11-inch SK5 steel blade is designed for dry wood, green branches, and pruning tasks. The blade folds into the handle for safer storage and transportation. It is useful for camping, bushcraft, gardening, and storm cleanup. Check local regulations. avoid cutting live trees, and always wear protective gloves. Imagine leaving your main campsite for a short hike without wanting to carry your entire camping pack. This 15-liter foldable backpack provides space for water, snacks, rainwear, first aid supplies, and phone accessories. When empty, it folds into a compact size that fits inside a suitcase or larger backpack. It is ideal for short hikes, cycling, sightseeing, beach trips, and exploring nearby areas with only the essentials. When cooking over an open fire, balancing cookware on rocks or unstable logs can be dangerous. The Odaland Folding Grill provides a stable steel mesh surface for pots, pans, kettles, and suitable food. Its folding legs keep the cooking surface above flames or hot coals. It is useful for car camping, picnics, fishing trips, and emergency outdoor cooking. Use heat-resistant gloves and allow the grill to cool completely before packing it. Imagine being far from electricity when your phone, smartwatch, or navigation device runs out of power. The Blavor 20,000 mAh power bank includes built-in cables, USB-C charging, wireless charging, fast charging, and a flashlight. Its solar panel offers limited emergency charging, but a complete solar recharge may take a very long time. Charge it from a wall outlet before your trip, and treat the solar panel only as a backup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with us. It fuels us to keep creating even better work and bringing you more essential gear insights.